There is a $5,000 of carbon parts inside this box, and all of that is going on my S1000R. All parts are supplied by Maxi Carbon from Italy, but more on that a little bit later. Welcome to part 4 of S1000R build. Because my bike is still in a very naked form, this is ideal time to put frame and swing arm carbon covers. You can put covers to protect your frame and swing arm, or you can put covers to hide the damage on your frame and swing arm. The choice is on you. Unfortunately, I belong to the latter section because my swing arm is already scratched. All the carbon parts you see in my videos are supplied by Maxi Carbon from Italy. Amazing company with amazing customer support. Big stock of carbon parts for any bike and maybe the best prices in whole Europe. Link of their site will be in description box, so check them out. Installing the covers is a fairly simple process, except the fact you must remove anything that sits on the frame or the swing arm. In my case, we have horn and some cables on the left side and clutch cable bracket on the right side. Have in mind that this bracket is held by plastic push clips that must be replaced. You can attach your covers in two ways, either with 3M double-sided tape or with some kind of heat-resistant silicone. Because my frame knows to get pretty hot, I will go with silicone. Now let's prep the surface with some detergent and top it off with some rubbing alcohol. Dobra! Don't go overboard with silicone, you don't need much force to hold covers in place. Now slap covers in place, press firmly and secure them with zip ties and cloths, and leave it overnight to cure. I forgot to mention, if you have swing arm spools, you must remove them before you put covers on.
The next day, remove your zip ties, take a cold one and feast your eyes. That will be all for the part 4, guys. In the next video, more carbon parts are going on the bike. Stay safe and I will see you in part 5. Cheers!